Dell Latitude 5520 LCD replacement. This is a guide on replacing LCD screen on a Dell Latitude 5520. Tools needed: Phillips screwdriver, non-metallic pry tool. Check out our website to buy this part. Alright, let's jump into it. Loosen the captive screws on the base cover. Use a non-metallic scribe to pry out the bottom cover, then disconnect the battery. Use a scribe to pry open the bezel, then work your way around until it's separated from the display cup. Now undo the 4 screws securing the LCD to the cover. Then lift the display panel to access the LCD cable. Peel away the conductive tape, then unclip the locking latch to disconnect the LCD cable. Here's the replacement LCD cable. Connect the LCD cable to the connector on the display panel, then close the latch. Now close the LCD and the display cover. Then replace the 4 screws to secure it in place. Align and place the bezel on the display assembly. Then carefully snap it into place. Now flip the laptop over, then connect the battery cable. Lastly, install the base cover. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.